everyone, ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is the ultimate kitchen game changer you need for 2025. Imagine decluttering your countertops with just one appliance that pressure cooks, slow cooks, makes yogurt, steams, and more. It truly does it all. No more guesswork. With 15 smart, customizable programs, delicious meals are just a button press away, whether it's perfect rice or tender meat. These presets ensure consistent, amazing results every single time, making gourmet cooking accessible for everyone. And cleanup is a breeze thanks to the premium food-grade stainless steel inner pot, durable and healthy for your family. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its seamless blend of versatility, intuitive design, and Instant Pot's legendary reliability. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade for your home, this is absolutely worth considering. Find the official Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. It's the smart investment that saves you time, space, and makes meal prep genuinely enjoyable. Seriously, for anyone serious about elevating their cooking in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my top recommendation. You won't regret it.